Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Cybertruck body panel fitment problems and the potential problems that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla Cybertruck vehicles, body panel fitment concerns may include uneven panel gaps, misalignment between adjoining panels, sharp edge inconsistency, or panels that do not sit flush along seams. These observations are primarily related to exterior fit and finish rather than vehicle drivability. Steering, braking, and propulsion remain unaffected, but panel fitment issues can affect perceived build quality, aerodynamics at panel edges, and long-term sealing performance. This behavior does not affect all Cybertruck vehicles and varies by production batch, manufacturing tolerances, and inspection outcomes rather than indicating a universal defect. Verified information shows that one documented factor involves the Cybertruck's stainless steel exoskeleton construction. Unlike traditional stamped steel or aluminum body panels, the Cybertruck uses thick stainless steel panels that are not painted and are more difficult to bend or fine-tune during final assembly. This manufacturing approach limits post-production adjustment and increases sensitivity to tolerance stack-up, where small variations can result in visible gap differences. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by production period, delivery condition, or prior adjustments, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Manufacturing and assembly process behavior has also been reviewed. Early production vehicles often experience wider tolerance variation as manufacturing processes are refined. Panel alignment, fastening sequence, and fixture calibration can influence final fitment, particularly on a new vehicle platform with unconventional materials. Structural design and thermal behavior further influence fitment. Stainless steel expands and contracts with temperature changes. As a possible contributing factor, thermal expansion differences between large flat panels and structural mounting points could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Delivery and handling conditions have also been considered. Transportation, storage, or minor impacts during logistics may affect panel alignment, especially on rigid panel designs with limited adjustment range. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include inspection against factory fitment specifications, assessment of fasteners and mounting points, and determination of whether alignment falls within acceptable tolerances. In some cases, panel adjustment or replacement may be recommended depending on severity and service evaluation. Reviewed information indicates that Cybertruck body panel fitment concerns are not universal and often relate to material properties, early production tolerance variation, and manufacturing process maturity rather than structural safety issues. In conclusion, Tesla Cybertruck body panel fitment problems are generally linked to stainless steel exoskeleton manufacturing constraints, tolerance stack-up, early production variation, and limited adjustment capability rather than vehicle integrity or safety failure. The issue varies by vehicle and production period, and proper inspection is necessary to determine whether service action is appropriate. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.